So guys, this is my setup of my hybrid solar inverter, Eson Power. So look what I've done to this inverter and batteries. So I put 32 ampere each. This is for the input, for the grid, and this is for the output, for the loads. So I just connect this, and this is for the input, for the grid, and this is the breaker for the battery. So simple, I just put it in the small board. No solar yet. We will wait our solar panel. That's why we just use batteries in grid for now.